Today I'd like to demonstrate to you how to use Stickit. This is a new product. It's an injection adhesive. It's designed to fix loose substrates in situ, and basically what that means is without having to replace it. It comes with an injection needle. It allows you to pump the adhesive in underneath the surface, whether that be loose tiles, loose render. There's a whole host of other things it can be used for. But probably the most common thing you're going to find around the home is loose tiles. Now you might say, why bother fixing a loose tile? The problem with loose tiles is if you don't do something about it now, it will progressively get worse, and eventually what will happen is it will crack and you'll have a major problem. Now we've identified a problem area here. Just using any metal object, you can actually rub over the surface. You can hear that hollow sound. So what's happened is that tile has actually popped away from the adhesive. So we've identified that this area is drummy, and this is a telltale sign. Basically what's happened here, this one's become loose. You can see the grout has cracked and fallen out, and the tile is now cracked because someone stood on this. If this had been fixed before it got to this stage, you wouldn't have the problem of having to replace the whole tile, which is time consuming and really it is an issue if you don't have a replacement tile. I'll show you just how easy it is to use Stickit. Now all you need is a cordless drill or a drill. The kit comes with a 2mm solid carbide drill bit, which will drill through just about anything. Most of what you're going to be drilling through is grout though. You can drill through the surface of the tile if there is no grout line. Now I'll just drill a few holes through here. Okay, now I'll just brush that dust up with I'm just using a business card. You can basically use any paper or card. Brush that up and I'll show you why we keep that. Now you take the injection kit, give it a few pumps. I've used this before, so it's basically ready to go, but the kit comes with everything you need. It's stored in the handle here. So we take the injector nozzle off. Now what we're also going to do is apply some pressure. There's a small rubber grommet. You can push that over the needle. What that allows you to do is to pump the liquid in under pressure, and I'll just show you how to do that. You push into the hole, you press the trigger, and that will inject the liquid. You can see it there coming in underneath the other tile. That whole area now is injected with glue. So I'll just replace the cover. What we can do is we can wipe this area up. It's water-based and it dries clear, so it's not a problem if you get it where it shouldn't. And what we do is we just tap that back over the holes. Now that'll dry and you really won't know that there's been any repair work done there at all. So there's an example of just how easy it is to use Stickit to repair a loose tile. This can be used for wall tiles, floor tiles. There's a full instruction sheet that comes with the pack. Thanks for your attention.